Hi there, my name is Tycho and I just started up this YouTube channel about Amsterdam. In this channel I'll be showing you my self-made walking routes, top 10s and other Amsterdam related stuff. If you're into it, like the video, that really helps me out, and subscribe for more Amsterdam related content. If you have any suggestions or requests for the stuff you'd like to see on this channel, be sure to let me know in the comment section. And for now, let's head into the video. Hi there, and thanks for watching my first ever YouTube video. In this video, we'll be walking a route through the south of Amsterdam. Do you feel like walking the route yourself? There's a link in the description below where you can get it for free. Today will be joining me Zobar and Nadja from Kazakhstan. Hello guys.
Assalamu alaikum. Astana, Almata.
Karaganda.
The starting point of this route is Europaplein. I chose for this because it's easy to reach with public transport. Now let's head over to Zobar to hear what he's got to say.
Вот. Сегодня классная погода, прям очень классная. Тепло на улице, солнечно, свежо, прям супер круто. И я думаю, нас ждет очень интересная прогулка.
Every now and then there will be a map in the right bottom corner of the screen. Forgive me for the graphics. I'm sure I'll get better at this as I make more YouTube videos.
Посмотрите, как здесь красиво. Представляете, тут живут люди. Тут реально живут люди. И для них это нормально. Так же, как для нас выглянуть в окно, увидеть непонятно что. Также для них это нормально. Дома покрыты такими вот лианами, смотрите. Очень много зелени, такие красивые деревья. No, I never seen this car.
Maybe. No.
We don't have the same in Kazakhstan.
But it's Citroën just, it looks like some,
Citroën, yeah, I know this.
We're now at the Rule of Hartsplein. If we would follow that red car, we'd end up at the Museum Square. Unfortunately, this route is going in this little side street. Or maybe you're not into museums. In that case, great. It's also the perfect place for nature photography. They're really enjoying themselves. That's the end of the route, the Big Rabbits route. Hope you guys liked it.
Yeah, we really like it. It's so nice route.
Yeah?
So nice, yeah.
And we learned a lot, like there's small rabbits, but there's also big rabbits here in Amsterdam.